using mouth tape, using hostage tape, that's when you really start to see the benefits of it. That's the only one so far that's been able to make it through the whole night. It just goes right over top of the beard as well, so there's no problem with your beard either, which is great. The results are undeniable in terms of how well you sleep, how little you snore, and when you wake up in the morning, how good you feel. You're not dehydrated. You don't feel like your face is all dry. You don't feel like you need a glass of water beside you at night. That's when I really started to realize that this was something, and that's when I was sold. That's when I was a believer.